What is up, ADD traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at boom and crash, and we're going to be doing the analysis for this coming week. So make sure you watch up until the end of this video so that you get the whole proper analysis and the whole proper direction of where these indices are going to go this coming week, right? If you really enjoy these videos and you want me to continue, kindly click the like button. Let's get to 50 likes and I'll be sure doing these videos each and every day. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that I personally notify you each and every time I post a video, right? So without wasting much time, today we're going to be starting off with boom 1000. I'm in the daily time frame and I can already see some proper market structures that are occurring. So I think you can also see that right here we have a nice support or trend line or channel that is being formed. Okay, we have a nice channel that is being formed. You can already see some rejection candlesticks closer to our channel, and just for reference sake, this channel started off at this point, bounced, and then it did a break in to form this channel. So it has a nice market structure. If you extend it again, you can also see where it's really coming from. So this is a very much confirmed trend line that we have up there. I'm gonna start it off at this point, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so that we actually see what's happening. So this is what is happening. We are at this level, we are at this stage, and already we are seeing rejection candlesticks being formed. First rejection candlestick that's very much visible, this bullish rejection, whereby we have this long upper wick, which is very much longer than the body and longer than the lower shadow. So this upper shadow, which is long, shows us that the bulls failed to keep on pushing the market up, and therefore we experience a nice rejection, a nice bullish rejection, right? At the same time, this structure was a strong resistance structure. We can see it even if we go a little bit back from what has been happening to price, and it's a very much important zone. Even if you go all the way to last year, right? And then we are experiencing the same thing at that level. So this only tells me one thing, that the bulls are now failing to keep pushing the market down. So I would start looking for sell opportunities at this point. Now obviously we're now looking for some support or where our price is going to land. I can see that there is another closer zone, which is this one. It's a very much important zone. A lot of decisions made, even if you go back to the year behind or months behind. So we're going to start off by targeting this zone, and maybe if we experience a breakout within this coming week, this point, obviously targeting these lower regions, these lower support levels. But as for now, I will be targeting first this position, or at least closer to this position, see what price is going to be doing this week, right? So that's for boom 1000. Let's take a look at crash 1000 and see what we have. Still in the daily time frame, so these are not scalping trades, but you can actually hold today if you have your notification bell turned on, right? So what has been happening to crash 1000 is we have been in a downtrend. I'm sure from a previous analysis you've already seen this, and what I can say, since we have no proper structure in the daily time frame, I'll try to switch to the weekly time frame and maybe look for some structures. But from previous videos which I posted, you must be aware that we were in a sell. So from the weekly time frame, we can see that we've been having a series of bearish candlestick, and now we're starting to have this green candlestick popping up, indicating that we might start to experience some bullish momentum. But that is not all, because we can't have a proper structure from that alone, right? We can't have a proper structure from that alone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to lower time frames, the 4-hour time frame, to look for a proper market structure and see if we can find it. And already from the 4-hour time frame, you can see this bullish momentum coming up. But this bullish momentum, we've also experienced it at this point, also at this point, also at this point. So this might be again a fake bullish momentum, which then leaves us with only one option: to start looking for sell opportunities, right? To start looking for sell opportunities. If you get a nice trend line here, probably our price might try to reach this point and then sell. But as for me, I will be in the trade already. I will be in a sell trade already, because I can already tell from how price has been acting in the previous days. Can you see that we experienced one bullish momentum and then a series of bearish movements, indicating that we are in a strong downtrend? If you see these failed bullish momentums, just indicate that there's this strong bearish momentum. So I'm going to keep on holding up onto my sell trades for crash 1000 throughout the week and see how it's going to be. Going on to crash 500, we're going to look for opportunities again. Right now, crash 500, we're in a daily time frame. I can already see there has been a reversal, sort of like a reversal here, because initially we were in a sell. There were a series of institutional bearish candlesticks, and all of a sudden experienced some tweezers right here, and the market started to turn up around. So from this moment, I'm going to highlight my resistance zone, and this obviously take up the role of the support zone, and I'm going to predict that we're most likely going to see some bullish momentum, probably to this level, and then maybe we can continue going in our direction. Also, the reason why I'm targeting this level is, if you see this trend line, we are sort of like breaking in, right? Sort of like breaking in to this new channel that is about to be formed, right? So it was a breakout, retest, and then maybe breaking in, or it will be a breakout, retest, and then continue going down. So there's two possibilities. But what I'll do is, the moment I see my price breaking this blue line, I'm going to enter into a buy, because I know it's a break in to the new channel, right? But if my price fail to break this blue line, I'm sure that we're going back down to continue with the breakout out of the channel. Okay, so that will be crash 500 for you. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at boom 500 again, still in the daily time frame. Going to highlight some key positions. We had this nice channel. Oh, sorry, we had this nice consolidation zone. Price did break out of that consolidation zone and started on pushing downwards, right? We haven't experienced any pullbacks to this level, so I assume that that was a total breakout. But here I'm starting to notice that we now have a new resistance zone, which means this one and this one now phased out, and then we now have a new support zone also. Can you guys see this? So what is definitely going to happen is we're still going to bounce around these levels. So basically we're going to push up to this level, obviously maybe breakout, turn back down, continue this consolidation zone for quite some time, right? But as for now, I'll try and get my bullish momentum. I think those that have clicked the notification bell get to benefit from this buy trade, maybe to this level, and then maybe for those that watch this quite a little later might take advantage of the sell opportunities that might come from this point. But if you break out this resistance zone, then I'm sure that now targeting previous support or the new resistance zone. Okay, so that is all for this week. Tomorrow I'm going to introduce or I'm going to post the analysis that we have for volatility indices, and then Tuesday a strategy as usual. Wednesday we'll look for something to do. Thursday I'm going to introduce you guys a very powerful indicator, and then Friday we'll look for something. Saturday again. So if you really love this channel, kindly click the like button and make sure you're subscribed and you keep watching this. Until next time.